Welcome to HB Naturals, an opportunity we believe is one of the best kept secrets in the home business industry. HBN is a 2.5-year-old, debt-free company headquartered in Wilder, Kentucky. Our parent company, Green Organics, has been in business since 2011. One of the benefits of owning a home business with HBN is everyone starts free. Your free HBN membership is a great way for someone on a limited budget or someone who wants to test drive our business and earn their first commissions to look us over before making a final decision. No purchase is ever required to begin earning an income with HBN, and you're never under any obligation. Your free business includes 12 personal websites, one for business, a retail site for customers, an HBN sample site that features some of our top-selling products, one that features our hemp CBD product line, one for weight loss, an HBN superfood site, lead capture pages, and a lot more. There are no website fees, membership fees, or annual fees. Product orders are drop-shipped to your customer's doorstep in more than 130 countries worldwide. When you create your free HBN account, you can immediately begin sharing any of your websites and earning an income. When someone places an order for any of our more than 80 life-enhancing organic products, you're paid immediately. You can also withdraw your commissions the very same day. There are 7 ways to earn with HBN. 5 of our income streams pay you daily. Our 50% retail commissions, 20 or 30% fast start bonuses, our 2-team bonuses, matching bonuses of up to 50%, and our unlimited and very generous star bonuses. One income stream pays you weekly. Our matrix commissions are company revenue sharing. And finally, our last income stream pays you monthly when earned, and that's our rank achievement bonuses, where you can earn up to an additional $190,000. HBN's unique matrix pay is an industry first, where you can earn an income just for being a loyal HBN customer and before you've enrolled any personal customers of your own. Many of our consultants and customers call this income stream Free Money Friday. HBN's owners also recognize and reward its consultants for their hard work in sharing our products and opportunity with gifts such as jewelry, cars, and a lot more when consultants reach specific earning levels. HBN also provides its independent consultants with a unique gift card marketing program that allows you to give away $25 gift cards to help you make product sales. You can purchase HBN gift cards for as little as $6 with a true $25 value for your customers. There are also 2 additional ways where you can receive free HBN gift cards to give away and help you grow your business. We market more than 80 life-enhancing organic products in several billion-dollar verticals, along with a very generous member rewards program that helps our customers earn free products and save money. HBN members are rewarded for their loyalty with redeemable member reward points starting at 5% and increasing exponentially up to 30%. These points can be used just like cash to receive additional free Heart and Body Naturals products of your choice. HBN products offer our customers excellent value. 52 of our products carry a commissionable volume of $30 or less, making them extremely affordable. All of HB Natural products are organic, plant-based, gluten-free, non-GMO, dairy-free, and cruelty-free. Our flagship weight management product, Slimmer, includes 2 patent-protected ingredients that address 2 problems many people who want to lose weight face: belly fat and high blood sugar. HBN also pays its customers up to $500 for losing weight in the Heart and Body Naturals 90-Day Slimmer Weight Loss Challenge. In fact, everyone who loses at least 1 pound wins a prize. We also offer a health and nutrition line for blood sugar, blood pressure, stress, inflammation, pain, the immune system, energy, brain health, and the list goes on. Our hemp-derived CBD products include third-party analysis and documentation, and HBN uses Kentucky-grown hemp from farms that are compliant with the U.S. Farm Bill. We also offer a pure 100% black seed oil extract supplement, a healthy coffee, an organic skincare line, hair and body care, essential oils, a pet care line, and finally, our organic romance product for women, Sesso Dolce. We call it HBN's billion-dollar secret. All HBN products include a 60-day, no questions asked, money-back guarantee. You can market many of HBN's products individually from the comfort of your home and build a standalone business helping customers. For example, our Healing Trilogy supplement called Body to help people with their blood pressure, our CBD oil for people who experience constant pain, ADHD, seizures, and sleep problems, our Slimmer supplement for weight management and blood sugar, our Magnesium Be Calm liquid supplement for stress, and the list goes on. HBN's co-founder and product formulator previously formulated products that were the foundation for two different billion-dollar direct sales companies. She is recognized internationally for her formulations as well as her standards of quality. HBN's formula for success is simple. 72% of our company's product orders are placed by customers and 28% by consultants. That gives our consultants the opportunity to build a stable income. As of February 2019, 89% of our customers and consultants reorder our products because they offer excellent value and they deliver results. That's how a direct sales company helps its independent consultants build a home business and an income that their families can depend on. We encourage you to review the rest of our team members' website and discover more about HBN. However, if you've seen enough and you're ready to create your free HBN business now, just click on the green banner directly below this video and complete your free enrollment. It takes less than 30 seconds. HBN, along with our personal team, provides step-by-step training for our new team members. If you're ready to earn an income from home, working in your spare time, we look forward to welcoming you to our HBN family.